In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wayfair promo code. Start by going to the Wayfair website, browse for the item you want, choose the right size or color if that applies, and when you're ready, click Add to Cart. If you're shopping for more than one item, you can repeat this and build your cart first. Adding everything now makes it easier to apply your promo to the full order total. When you're done shopping, open your cart by clicking the cart icon at the top right of the page. This takes you to a quick summary of what you're buying, including quantities, prices, and any shipping estimates. Take a moment to confirm your selections here so the discount applies to exactly what you expect. Next, select Checkout. You'll be prompted to enter your details. Provide your contact information so you can receive order updates, and then fill in your shipping info. Make sure your address is complete and accurate, including apartment or unit numbers, to avoid delivery delays. Many issues at checkout come from small typos, so it's worth a second look. After your shipping information is set, continue to payment. On the payment page, look for the promo section. You should see a field labeled Gift Card, Promo Code. This is where you'll apply your savings. It's typically near the order total or just above the payment method options. Enter your code in that box. You can type it in or paste it from your clipboard. Be careful to match the characters exactly and avoid extra spaces before or after the code. Some codes have terms like minimum order amounts, expiration dates, or category exclusions, so if you know those details, keep them in mind here. Now, click Apply. Give the page a moment to update. You should see the discount appear as a line item under your subtotal, and your order total should adjust accordingly. Taxes and shipping may not change with the promo, depending on the offer, so focus on the subtotal reduction. If the discount doesn't show, double-check the spelling, remove any stray spaces, and make sure the items in your cart meet the promo's requirements. Once your discount is added and everything looks correct, complete your order. Choose your payment method, review your billing details, and pay and place order. You'll see a confirmation screen and receive an email with your order summary. That's it. You've successfully applied a Wayfair promo code and checked out with your savings.